on, guys? Thank you so much for coming back to check out my second video. I'm super excited. For everyone who witnessed and saw my first video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So let's get right into it. I'm here to show you how I achieved my perfect twist out. As you can see, looks really great. It's all curly and, luxurious and beautiful. But I'm here to show you how I did it, from what products I use to how long it took, to the trials and tribulations I've gone through while I'm doing my twist out. So stay tuned and check it out, all right? You won't be disappointed. Dry hair face. To prevent that, first spritz lukewarm water using a spray bottle. You will thank me later. Next, apply moisturizer to your hair. One of my go-tos is Camille Rose Almond Twisting Butter. Link is in the bio. Next, apply an oil that locks in moisture. I personally like to use a blend, but any oil that acts as a sealant will do. Then your final step, take your two strands, separate, and twist your hair up. Guys, don't be alarmed. Shedding happens. I'll explain in a later video. Repeat steps until fully done. Yes, the basket's done. You see it? Hey, 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 where you at, huh? Yeah. Almost done, guys. Don't give up. Right now, I just encountered a tangle. The best way to detangle your hair is one strand at a time. After your hair is complete, secure your hair with a satin or silk scarf. You see that satin scarf? Good morning. Now I'm taking my twist out of my hair. Guys, I'm not done just yet. I then separate the twist out to give my hair a more defined and natural look. Whew, done, look at it. Don't I look good? Huh, yeah. Oh yeah, cartoon. And there you guys have it, the perfect twist out. I hope you liked and enjoyed my very first tutorial. There's plenty more to come, and I'm super excited to show you other hairstyles that I have in store for both you girls and you guys. So again, I'm super excited. Please subscribe, like, comment in that order, any order you like. But right now I have to go to show the world this beautiful hairstyle I have, all right guys? So I'd like to see you soon, and don't forget, subscribe. I'm out.